Hey there, artists and creatives! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking forward to take your art career to the next level, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into a game changer, mastering TikTok for artists. Whether you are curious about art types, budgeting tips, or campaign optimization, we got you covered. So let's jump right in with some expert guidance from Mega Digital. Did you know that TikTok can give your art career a major boost? With its short video and incredibly high engagement rate, TikTok is a perfect platform to showcase your creativity to a massive audience. Over 1 billion monthly active users means the viral potential is insane. Whether you are joining training challenges, making time lapses, or syncing your art to popular sounds, TikTok is where your work can reach thousands or even millions of viewers. Now let's talk about the best TikTok ad style, especially for artists. First up, TikTok in-feed ads. This blends smoothly with regular content, making them less intrusive and super engaging. They're perfect for driving traffic to your music platform, website, or social media profiles. Take tattoo artist Megan Marsker. For example, she uses in-feed ads to showcase her art and direct people to her booking page. Next, we have TikTok Top View ads. These ads take over the screen when users open the app, grabbing their full attention. Ideal for detailed art pieces or visual stories. These ads can last up to 60 seconds, giving you ample time to captivate your audience. For instance, Sarah Scribbles uses Top View ads to boost traffic to her online store on Amazon. Wondering about the cost? In-feed ads run on a CPM model, costing around $10 per 1,000 views, making them accessible even for those just starting. On the other hand, top view ads are pricier, ranging from $50K to $150K per day, an option if you have a larger budget and want maximum impact. A good starting point for in-feed ad is at least $1,000. If you have the budget, consider top view ads or branded hashtag challenges for maximum engagement. To get the most out of TikTok, here are some key strategies to follow. First, know your audience by using TikTok's analytics. This will help you tailor your content and set clear goals for each campaign, whether it's increasing followers or driving traffic to your online stores. High-quality content is crucial. Make sure your videos are clear and well lit. Jump on trends and use strategic hashtags to increase your visibility. And don't forget to engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live sessions, and collaborating with other artists. But even when the best strategy, there are some common mistakes you want to avoid. To build a recognizable presence, keep your branding consistent. Participate in relevant trends to stay visible, but avoid making your content too promotional. Instead, share your artistic journey and techniques. This builds a genuine connection with your audience. Let's get inspired by some success stories. Take Devon Rodriguez, who showcases his subway sketches and has gained millions of followers and media features, or Zach King, who mesmerizes viewers with his mind-bending videos, turning his TikTok fame into brand collaborations. James Charles is another great example. He combines makeup artistry with entertaining challenges, growing his beauty brand significantly on TikTok. TikTok offers incredible opportunities for artists. By understanding the platform, optimizing your campaigns, and learning from successful artists, you can truly transform your art career. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring TikTok for artists today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, follow our channel for more tips and guides, and click the link in the description to read more about this topic on the Mega Digital blog. See you in the next video.